Okay, for this lesson, we're gonna learn 맛있어요. Yeah, actually, the previous class we already learned about this, right? So we can do it easily. So, 맛있어요, or you can say 맛있어요, which means?
Delicious.
Yes, right. Yeah, tasty, delicious, very good. 맛있어요. Then, what was the opposite one? Yeah, right. Very good. 맛 없어요. That is right. But I said be careful not to say 맛없어요 S sound, right? You should say 맛없어요 D sound. Because it's way more easy to pronounce. So culturally Korean used to say 맛없어요 instead of 맛없어요. If you say 맛없어요, maybe Korean cannot understand what you are saying. Okay. And then what about this? Oh, I forgot which food is 맛있어요 to you? Alena? Yes, sushi. Sushi 맛있어요. Yeah, so you can attach sushi in front of 맛있어요. Okay. So you want to more emphasize for this. Then how can you say sushi is so delicious? So very a lot. How can you say? 너무, right. sushi 너무 맛있어요, right? So it literally means too much, very much. And another thing, 아주, right? 아주 맛있어요. Another one.
엄청.
Oh, 엄청, very good. Oh, okay. Then here, in front of 맛있어요, you can attach 엄청. And anything else? What about this one? The best.
제일.
제일. 맞아요. The best. It's my best one. Best food. 제일 맛있어요. Like 최고. You can use it. You can say totally. 완전. 완전 맛있어요. Right. What does it mean? 인생 맛집. Yeah, good. Yeah, good restaurant. Right. Literally, 인생 means lifetime. So this is the tasty house, the best tasty house, in my life. Okay, then that's all about this level, lesson 8. Thank you.